Hi, do you feel that you're dragging through your day? Do you feel that you lack energy even if after full night's sleep? You're not alone. Millions of women struggle with um, fatigue and lack of sleep during the perimenopause years. Hi, I'm Diliana and I am sleep and menopause expert, and I'm creator also of Menopause Support Academy. Today, I have 3 tips for you to make you feel more energized, revitalized, and feel alive. So, how you know that actually you're in perimenopause? Menopause starts when you are officially without period 1 year. But before that, you can go between 4, 6, 8, and more years in preparation to this change in woman's life. So you can be in perimenopause a decade before you officially in menopause. And you can start experiencing some of the symptoms more often. Some of them is fatigue, brain fog, hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings, and also weight gain. So today I want to talk about specifically for fatigue. If you're experiencing fatigue, it's very often a very common symptoms in perimenopause years, and even after during the menopause and postmenopause. So I have 3 tips today to really bring you more energy. First, I want to talk that you need to prioritize your exercise routine, your movement, your stretching. You need to emphasize more on parasympathetic relaxation activity. Either you choose to do a yoga, tai chi, or qigong, or either you walking after dinner. You need to stick in your routine and create this habit. Second is I want to talk about the food that you eat. So you need to eat whole foods, green leaves, grain, seeds more. Prioritize your plant-based diet. Also, make research and inform yourself which foods is rich in estrogen if you lack actually estrogen, or which food is rich in progesterone if you lack a progesterone. Avoid the spicy food, avoid the processed food, and prioritize more in a fresh veggie and fruits. Also be careful with your sugar level, so that because your sugar can affect your energy too and your sleep too. And least but not last is drink a lot of water. Be sure that you hydrate during the day so you bring more energy, vitality in your day, and you're more focused and productive. So the third things and the last tips that I want to give you today is to prioritize sleep. You need to sleep at least 7 to 9 hours per night. If you cannot sleep this much amount of hours, I highly suggest you want to meditate and replace the waking hours of meditation with waking hours of sleep with meditation, because according to the research, it shows that 1 hour meditation replaces 4 hours sleep. So it's very beneficial for you if you learn how to deep meditate and relax your brain. Ideally, if you create a routine for that too, and you have meditation evening and morning, and you also rest during the day, you balance your activity with rest. So that was my tips for today. If you struggle with fatigue, and go ahead, make these changes with your lifestyle and bring your spark in your life again. If you like to have more information and tips how to navigate your perimenopause years with ease and grace, please subscribe to my YouTube channel with my name, Diliana Mileva. Like, share this information for everyone you think that can need this information. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.